sound retarded when I'm talking, but
it's okay. We dealt with a water jet all day and we killed some brain cells. We can't even think straight. What's up, guys? Been a little busy. Got a ton of projects in this shop and we're always waiting on parts, but we got one bike done. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Let's get this thing started up and take it for a test ride. Drew doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna ride this bike. He has the exact same bike, and I could see his eyes light up when he saw this bike here, so I want to see him rip it. RJ's gonna get it ready for him. Damn thing.
before it starts.
Is this the same year as your bike?
Mine's a year newer.
Year newer? Same bike though.
Yeah. I put like 3 hours on it Saturday. So.
You're gonna ride this, you're gonna want a big wheel for yourself. Wherever. I'll meet you out. I'll meet you out front. How's it feel?
I'm not gonna lie. Hands up, like on your road. Was it the 2020 250F we did?
Yeah.
It didn't feel like a big wheel. It felt like the YZ.
Yeah.
This chassis like this feels like the 250 did.
No shit.
This thing feels awesome as a big wheel.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I like it.
Hell yeah, man. Got the exhaust spaced out here as always. So no welding required on this one. A couple spacers on each side. We had one set of these knobbies left, so they went on this bike. Don't typically run these. It was literally the last set we had. Ended up just throwing them on this build. Yeah, she's sweet. All right, Drew, right over some rock piles and then we'll call it a day.
I sound retarded when I'm talking, but
It's okay. We dealt with a water jet all day and we killed some brain cells. We can't even think straight. Nope. It's a struggle with the water jet and it's a struggle letting the clutch out.
That clutch, I think that's the working thing.
I'm shaky as shit today. You know why? It's cold out. RJ, what happened?
It's cold.
This dude told me it was 80 degrees all year. He's a liar. I missed his best wheelie. Dude, you gotta do it again. Is that it for today? All right.
you gotta try it.
I'll try it.
This is like, I swear, this is the best chassis for a big wheel.
All right, let me try it. Yeah, I think it's fun. It's time to go home. We're tired. There they go, off into the sunset. See ya. All right, guys. See you in the next video. We got tons of content coming. We've been a little bit behind on getting parts lately, waiting on rims, waiting on tires. Everything in this world's a little bit slow right now. Always doing my best to get builds done, but fortunately we got like 10 of them just sitting there on hold. So it's what it is. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Facility. It's not Pizza Como.
No.
So I think of this, I think New York Pizza and then Lord Como, but that's when I left New York.
It's a combo.
Yeah.
Roxon.
Should I bleep all that out too, or
Yes.
bleep it out? It's gonna be banned off every.
You can't just put it like a.
Okay. Lord Como. Cool. It was a good day. Good job, Alex. You're not here for the video. You got the bike together today, so it's a good day. Other than Omax water jets that fought us all day.
Just say it.
You had to go there.
But it was a good day.
Yeah.
It was a good day though.